What up, everyone? This is Casual Chris, and I wanted to give you guys a look at how I sampled um, basically a luau, an entire luau performance that I went to Saturday night. Sampled it Sunday, so, or whenever the next day was, I sampled it. So this is it. This is a full luau, but I want to show you how you would probably get to it, depending on where you saved it. So for me, I recorded it on my phone. Yeah, that's what I had at the time, so made it work. So when I airdropped it, it saved it in my imports folder. Now you can find your imports folder in the top left corner. It's the paper button right there highlighted. Hit it, documents, go down to imports, find your sample, hit it, click load right there, boom, it'll load. Load up on a screen like this. And basically, it's a huge sample, so I didn't want to, I could redo it, but it's a huge sample. This is the whole sample in it. Here's your plus minus sign there. That will get you, to zoom out so you can actually see your whole sample if it's as big as this. I recorded for basically about an hour and a half, so I got a lot of stuff in here. So I went to what I found. Zoom in right there. So now when you go into what you found, what really matters are the S and the E. Start, end. Now you can move these, you can adjust these anywhere you want them. But for me, that's what worked for me. So to play it, it's that play button right there. Probably so that's the start and the end. So in this, I really didn't care about the end because it looks like I was probably just gonna go ahead and just play it out one shot at a time, not necessarily loop the sample, as it says right there, not looped. So I was more worried about the start time. When this button hits, was it gonna start when I wanted it to? So it does. Listening to it again, I'm gonna put my end time right here. Again, I made this song in the back of a car, so I'm just going back over it right now, actually, and showing you guys how I sampled and how you can sample on your own. So it looks like I got it. I'm guessing if I hit loop forward, they'll keep going, I'm guessing. There we go. Yeah, so that's cool. So it's always gonna loop as long as we have it. And as you can see, I kind of knew it. That was just off ear, but this is all your bar counts up there. That can help you too. I would zoom out until I saw 1 big line, 2 big line, 3 big line, 4, and do it that way. I know that's not industry. That's not industry stuff right there. Terminology, but whatever. So now, so cool. So I have it so it's stretching. So it's always gonna, it's always gonna be where it needs to be. You could have this where it's multiple voices. That's what multiphony means. So I can hit them all at the same time, but so that's a great sample. I like it. Probably can't even hear it because I had it so turned down. Hawaii. So I'm guessing that's probably what I did for this song. So I might have to recreate it. But yeah, that's exactly how I would sample here. Again, start end. That's really all you need to worry about. It's really that easy. This is your multiple voices if you were doing like chords or something. In this case, I'm not. I'll have two just for the glide. That just means two samples playing at the same time. Other than that, you could tune it right here, mess with the amplitude, all this fun stuff right here if you really want to. But basically, once you have it like that, your sample is ready to go. You could adjust the BPM of the sample as well too. I know when I first had it, I didn't know the BPM. So in order to do that, I'm just matching up beats. I just got lucky and found a part with the drums. As you can see, these pops up here match up with the lines. And in order to get it to match up with the lines, I either did it here. No. I did it in the sampler itself. So in here, yeah, in here I basically took this BPM, held my finger on it, moved it until all the lines meet up with all the drums, bah, 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 bah. And it happened to be 118. Boom, that's the song. That's the sample BPM. That's the song BPM. So really easy stuff. This stuff is really, really easy to use. Again, this is Beatmaker. So I'm gonna get to work on this. I'm gonna get working on this song. Thank you again for watching. Have a good one, y'all. Subscribe if you like this content. Follow my sounds, man. I'm on everywhere. You could find everything, every link in this YouTube. It's not hard to find. But I am Casual Chris will usually get you to where you need to go, no matter what social media platform you are using. So once again, at I am Casual Chris. Thanks. Have a good one.